In this video, I'm going to show you how to bounce a song in Pro Tools. Now to do this, first you want to select the song you want to bounce. So over here, you could either make a selection of a specific part like this. Make sure you have the selector tool up top selected, so click on it. And then from here, you can select the portion you want to actually bounce. So if you just have like a portion of a song you want to bounce, you can go and left click and then drag, and it's going to select the entire selection. Of course, and over here, this part is going to be bounced as a song. But if you want everything, just don't select anything and it's automatically going to basically bounce the entire thing. So go to the file at top left when you're ready, and then from here click on bounce mix. You could also press Ctrl plus Alt plus B on your keyboard. You have to give it a file name. You can export as WAV, AIFF, MP3, or some other options as well. And then over here, of course, you can select your mix source and then the audio as well. And then from here under location, select the location, click on bounce and wait for a few seconds, and that's really all you have to do to bounce your song in Pro Tools. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.